what we could not do in 65 years, Modi ji did in 10 years. It's a reality. I will not give you details now because the figures are large. You have to give sector-wise facts and figures. But when I got elected, there was no BJP in Northeast. In fact, on the simultaneous polling, same day assembly parliament election, I get elected, but all MLAs are Congress. So it is not that BJP was not there. So when I got elected as a member of parliament, there was no BJP government, no BJP MLA, barring few MLAs in Assam, nowhere in Northeast. When I became part of the government, only in 2015 late, we started BJP government in the state. That is because everybody is attracted to what Prime Minister Narendra Modi has to offer for the future of Northeastern region. So they have the trust, the faith in the leadership of Prime Minister Modi ji. So that is how the politics in Northeast is revolving around BJP, and BJP-led NDA, and in Northeast we say NEDA, Northeast Development Alliance. So this Northeast Democratic Alliance is basically an alliance where we are taking a lead role, but we don't want to demolish the identity of the regional parties. For example, the Sikkim Krantikari Dal of Sikkim Krantikari Morcha of Chief Minister Gole Sahab. It is doing very well, and he has accommodated BJP's requirement. One MP Rajya Sabha is for BJP, Lok Sabha is for SKM. So that is how we have divided. So they will never feel under pressure or under any kind of threat that will just gobble up the smaller parties. No, we give space to the regional parties. In Nagaland, the Naga aspiration, we have given space to NDCC, then the NDPP, then SKM, likewise in Meghalaya. It's a working system where BJP has to be in the forefront because we are in the government here. Prime Minister Modi is the leader of the country, and all the regional parties are extremely comfortable with BJP.